Are you interested in getting the Navy Federal Flagship Rewards card? Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get that card even if you have bad credit. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I created the first cloud-based software that allows you guys to put your credit repair experience into your own hand, guys. In today's video, I'm super excited because I have a banger, guys. Today, I'm going to teach you how to get an $80,000 credit card with Navy Federal, even if you have bad credit, guys. This is a good one, guys. But before we get into the video, guys, if you like any information that can teach you about credit tips and tricks, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel, guys. It helps us grow, helps us reach a wider audience, and it also allows this content to reach the masses, guys. Thanks, guys. Leave a like and subscribe. Also, give us a comment on your Navy Federal experience so far and what you're expecting and hoping to achieve with Navy Federal as a whole. All right, guys, let's get straight into the meat and potatoes, guys. But before we get into the meat and potatoes, guys, if you need credit repair, before we go into the credit building, I want to talk to you about credit repair. We have the best credit repair software in the industry, guys. We are literally changing lives by allowing our consumers to go in and fix their own credit, guys. They are removing collections, charge-offs, late payments, inquiries, you name it, guys. I've seen people even remove student loans and bankruptcies. Guys, this software and this technology is literally saving the masses. It is a very affordable. And guys, go over to mycreditapprove.com. Guys, you can import your credit report, dispute, and print them off and send it over to the credit bureaus, all on one uniform platform, guys. Go over to mycreditapprove.com. All right. Now, guys, let's get over to the meat and potatoes and let's talk about this $80,000 credit card with Navy Federal. Now, the Navy Federal Flagship credit card is not entry-level credit card at all. It is one of the mid to top tier credit cards that they have on their tiers. Now, to get approved for this credit card is not as hard as people is actually making it seem. I've heard horror stories and I've heard success stories, but it really just depends on the recipe on how you strategically apply for the credit card. Now, guys, it is several methods that you can use to get approved for this credit card with no problems at all. And you can actually use some of these methods even if you have a low credit score. Guys, this credit card has a maximum limit of up to $80,000. So you have a potential of getting up to $100,000 line of credit with just one particular card, guys. That is a very powerful piece of credit building tool that you can actually apply to the profile. So guys, that's awesome. So let's talk about the perks of the credit card a little bit before we talk about actually how to get approved for it. So one of the great things about it is that you get a free Amazon Prime membership. So if you are a super duper Amazon lover and an online shopper, this card probably would be great for you. It also has the, of course, $80,000 limit, and it also has cell phone protection. I wasn't aware of that. One of my clients told me that they actually have a cell phone protection plan under their Navy Federal credit cards, and come to find out, all of the Navy Federal credit cards have this protection for your cell phone. So if you are or do have any Navy Federal credit cards or tools under their platform, look into getting the the cell phone protection to protect any of your cell phone or devices. It might actually be something interesting to look into. It has no reward limit. So like you probably understand that some of these credit cards, most credit cards have a cap to the rewards that you can actually accumulate during the process of having that credit card. This particular credit card doesn't have no rewards, so that is a great add-on where you can just basically rack them up. It has 3 times the travel, and it has PSA pre-check $100 off. So if you are an avid traveler, it can definitely give you some added perks on your travel expenses in terms of TSA check-ins, and it gives you added rewards for travel. Now, normal Navy Federal credit cards have a one-time point for everything. This one has 2 times, so you get double the points for every time that you use it. And this credit card actually have an annual fee. This is an actual higher tier credit card, so the annual fee for this credit card is $49, guys. Now let's talk and dive in a little bit on actually how to get approved for this credit card. Now guys, if the first thing that you want to be careful of getting approved for, do not apply unless you are a member of Navy Federal. If you're not a member of Navy Federal, you would not get approved, and you can possibly risk getting an inquiry on your credit report without actually getting any benefit on the other side. So you want to make sure that you are a member. If you want to become a member of Navy Federal, I do have a link in the description. I did post a video on how to get instantly approved for Navy Federal and get inside of the club. Guys, we have been getting some great results when it comes to some of the students that have been using the methods and strategies to actually get inside of Navy Federal. So you can take advantage of some of these add-ons in terms of the credit building tools like the FLAGSHIP credit card or some of the others. Now, you want to be a member. You want to do the pre-qualification method. So you want to actually go and see if you can get pre-qualified. You do not want to instantly try to go straight into the application. Pre-qualifications normally can be a waste of time because they're not always accurate, but Navy Federal has a good accuracy rating for their pre-qualifications, and it does not give you a hard inquiry, so that's good. So guys, now in order for you to get this card, you cannot jump into Navy Federal and then instantly apply and get approved. It doesn't work like that. Now, in my last video, when I talked about Navy Federal and how to get approved, I talked about basically that you have to maintain a good rapport or relationship with this creditor. You have to basically give them all of you in terms of building a relationship. So how does that compute, Q? You want to basically put yourself in a position to allow Navy Federal to have full transparency to your finances. So if you have a job, you have direct deposit, setting up your direct deposit with them would be a great add-on. Getting an installment loan, getting a secure credit card, getting some of these introductory cards would give you the best option and the best accuracy for getting approved for the FLAGSHIP card later on. Now, I want you guys to write this down. It is called the 91-3 rule. The 91-3 rule is probably one of the most important rules that you want to look out for when it comes to Navy Federal, because it gives you a great insight on how they actually go about the approvals and the automatically increases. So after 91 days or 3 payment cycles, Navy Federal automatically give you an option to give you an increase, or they give you an option to upgrade the credit card as a whole. Now, this is a great option to do that, to apply for the FLAGSHIP card once you get towards that 91-day mark. Now, inside of Navy Federal, as I talked about in the last video, I talked about what is called an inside score, right? An inside score is basically a score that Navy Federal personally house for your relationship with them. And the better your relationship with them, and the better your payment history, the better products that you have with them, the better transparency, like I said, with your finances that you give them, the more you invest in them, the more they feel comfortable to invest in you. Now, during the 91-day period, what you want to do is what I like to call season your credit profile. You want to season it during this time, so when you get to that 91-day mark, inside Navy Federal credit score, you want that score to be high enough and built up enough to where you can get approved for this credit card. Now guys, the lowest I've seen someone get approved for is around a 580. So if you have a 580 credit score, which is a bad credit, that's why I say you can get approved for this with bad credit because they build the application approvals off your relationship with them. They don't only base it off of your credit score, which is great. So build a relationship as much as possible during that 91 or that three payment cycle window. You want to season it as much as possible. Now, like I told you, season it will be basically adding as many products to Navy Federal and maintaining a good utilization and also payment history during that time frame. And once you do that, this is how you want to apply. Now, once you have seasoned the account, once you have products already with Navy Federal and have the Navy Federal account, of course, this is how you will want to apply. You always want to apply over the telephone. And when you go over the telephone, you want to talk to a representative. Talking to a representative is always going to give you a better option. Now, I've seen options where you can apply at nighttime. Now, Navy Federal has jumped on that method since then, and actually I've been hearing a lot of Navy Federal account holders have been losing their accounts because there have been actually getting approvals for the accounts and credit lines during hours where there wasn't any type of monitoring of the application. So I've seen people actually losing their Navy Federal accounts and having their money rendered back to them and losing all of the relationship that they have built with the institution. So you want to make sure that if you are getting into Navy Federal, listen closely and specifically to what I'm saying, because it's very important. If you skip any steps or try to do anything out of the window of what I'm saying, you have the possibility of getting your account shut down or not getting approved. Guys, if you found any of this information helpful, always remember to like and subscribe to the channel, guys, because we are going to be giving this information on a daily basis, guys. Now, you want to basically call the person and ask for a pre-approval for the FLAGSHIP rewards card. Now, once you talk to the representative, you want to tell them the situation and say you want to put in a application for a pre-approval for the FLAGSHIP card. Now, once they give you the approval of the card, next, what you want to do is called what we like to call the reconsideration line. The reconsideration line is where the bulk of you guys are going to get the 80K limit. Some of you guys are going to get approved for 40K, 50K, and you're going to get the 80K once you call the reconsideration line. Once you call the reconsideration line, a quick script would be saying something like, I have a card similar with another bank and I want to see if you guys can match the 80K offer that the other bank have, and because I'm trying to increase and better my relationship with you guys, and I want to see if I can match it. The reconsideration line is the bread and butter for everything. Even if you don't get approved, guys, you want to call the reconsideration line, because the reconsideration line will actually get a deeper detailed view to actually get you approved, guys. Like I said, if you found any of this information helpful, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel, join the Credit Coach Q family, guys, and get this information on a daily basis. Guys, till next time, take care of yourself and take care of your credit. Bye.